Yesterday the soil engineer came in. I wasn't here when he actually did all his samples and made his recommendations.
Turn around and sort of talk to me a little.
His recommendations are that we go down to the depth where they're now placing the gravel, and that's a tamping machine that tamps the gravel down to make a solid base. Then on top of this there will be a concrete foundation poured and concrete walls. They'll be kept down from the floor. There'll be a wooden subfloor underneath. So then, once that's in, my understanding is they'll begin to support some of the weight of this cantilevered section, and then they will begin to remove another section of the building going into the laundry room, go through exactly the same process. Go down this far, put solid foundation and walls in there, which will also release some of the hydrostatic pressure from the water in the winter coming down here and pushing against the back of the temple wall. To be continued.
Okay.
But you can see it. See where you can see where they've got the big tamper there, and they're tamping the gravel into the base of the where the footings will be.
Yeah, definitely. Well,
You might actually see it work.
I'll leave it right there.
yeah. If you put it against the wall over there, I'll be out both our way.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
And where
And you can see, we went down almost 10 feet down to what we're calling native down there, where we actually saw.
So you're actually down to
the native
original
clay, the native what was here. It's harder than anything else here.
I'll bet.
The engineer says as long as we're down to that, have a minimum of 4 feet of rock over the top of that.
So that's what you've got there.
We've got we got a lot more than 4 feet in that corner. As we get up here, hopefully the native comes up and we'll only need 4 feet of rock. But
Okay.
So far we've got 6 down there.
So it's basically you're down to a hard pan almost. Is it a hard pan?
Well, that's what they're considering it. It's native, and